This video will cover the topic, multiplying binomials with negative coefficients. For our first example problem, we will use the following binomial set of 4b plus 3 times negative 2b minus 5.
Are there any methods that we need to know in order to solve this problem?
I'm glad you asked. In order to multiply these binomials out, we'll be using the FOIL method.
Wait, what does FOIL stand for? And how would we use it to solve this problem?
Excellent question. The FOIL method stands for first, outer, inner, last. These represent the steps in which we are going to distribute the contents of the binomials into each other and multiply them together. To represent this process visually, let's use a plus b times c plus d. Let's use the steps of FOIL in order to multiply these two binomials together. We first multiply the first terms of each binomial, which in this case is a and c. This results in ac. Next, we multiply the outer terms of our binomials, which in this case are a and d. This results in ac plus ad. Now we multiply our inner terms, which are b and c. This results in ac plus ad plus bc. For our final step, we multiply the last terms of our binomials, which in this case are b and d. This results in our final answer of ac plus ad plus bc plus bd.
I'm starting to understand how the FOIL method operates, but how could we apply the method to our problem?
Well, let's go back to our original problem and apply the FOIL method. With our set of binomials 4b plus 3 times negative 2b minus 5, we first multiply the first two terms of our binomials, which are 4b and negative 2b. This results in 4b times negative 2b. We then multiply our outer terms together, which are 4b and negative 5. This results in 4b times negative 2b plus 4b times negative 5. Now we multiply our inner terms together, which are 3 and negative 2b. This results in 4b times negative 2b plus 4b times negative 5 plus 3 times negative 2b. Finally, we multiply our last terms, 3 and negative 5, which results in 4b times negative 2b plus 4b times negative 5 plus 3 times negative 2b plus 3 times negative 5. Now we simplify our terms by multiplying them together. This results in negative 8b squared minus 20b minus 6b minus 15. We then add or subtract any like terms, which results in our final answer of negative 8b squared minus 26b minus 15.
Will we use the same process if we had a term on the outside of our binomials?
Great question. We would use the same process as before, except we add one step at the end. Let's use the example problem, negative 2 times a plus 8 times a minus 5 to demonstrate this step. We first use our FOIL method to distribute the contents of both binomials. With our first terms, our result is a times a, which multiplies out to a squared. With our outer terms, our result is a times negative 5, which multiplies out to negative 5a. With our inner terms, our result is 8 times a, which multiplies out to 8a. And finally, with our last terms, our result is 8 times negative 5, which multiplies out to negative 40. We now add or subtract any like terms, which results in negative 2 times a squared plus 3a minus 40. Our final step is to distribute the negative 2 into each of the terms, which results in our final answer of negative 2a squared minus 6a plus 80.
I think I'm starting to understand, but let me summarize just to make sure. In order to multiply a set of binomials, we use the FOIL method, which stands for first, outer, inner, last. Using this method, we distribute the terms of our binomials and multiply them together. From there, we simplify our expression by adding and subtracting any like terms.
Great job! It seems that you have an understanding of how to multiply binomials with negative coefficients.